Alright guys, let's work on to our next topic. This is text and characters. So we could type in our first code right here. It's a string arrays, which when you are working with text enclosed sequences of characters in double quotes, you could assign text to a variable, which is t is equal to hello world. Let's type that in real quick, and let's type in a new script. We could actually just use the same script right here. This is just a notepad, so we're just gonna clear this and also clear the command. Let's actually clear this too, and type in t is equal to hello world double quote and semicolon. So now we have over here our workspace is hello world. What's our next cue? If the text include double quotes, use double quotes within the definition, such as q is equal something double quoted and something else. And so here q is equal something quoted, and then t and q are arrays. Like all MATLAB variable, their class or data type is string. So here we're just gonna put something else, and it enters down q is equal something quoted and something else. And then we can type in who's t, which shows the name, the size, the bytes, the class, and the attributes. So actually, let me type that in the script real quick, and put in who's t into the command, and we have our output. Note: creating string arrays with double quotes was introduced in R 2017A. If you are using earlier access release, just that's just a note. To add text to the end of a string, use the plus operator. So if f is equal to 71 semicolon, right, we're gonna have that in our workspace. C is equal to such as a equation here, including the f, and we're gonna type in temper text equal to the temperature is plus c plus bigger C, which is you'll see that the temperature checks is gonna be about 21.6667 C Celsius. All right, let's type that in, and we have that right there. And then we could also have A is equal to B, B, C, C, D, D, E, E, F, 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 such so forth. So let's type it into our next command, which is here. And you can see that A is equal to a 2x3 string array. A, this is a little string array right there. And then we can also type in the string length A, which is gonna show us another 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, or 1 2 3 4 6 7. We could also have data and characters array. Sometimes characters represent data that does not correspond to text, such as DNA sequence. You can store this type of data in the character array, which has a data type character array use single quotes. So we could have this right here, sequence here, sequence that down here, sequence that right there, and whose is sequence, and then name, sequence, size 1x10, bytes 20, class, character, attributes, and sequence to 4. Answer is equal to A. Actually forgot to add into sequence whose sequence in there, so I don't miss anything. Concatenate characters array with square brackets, just as you concatenate numeric arrays. So this would be concatenated down to different letterings. So as you guys can see, it's going to be concatenated from here to here. And it shows that characters arrays are common in programs that were written before the introduction of strings array. All MATLAB functions that accept string data also accept character data, and vice versa. So here we just got done with text and characters. Hopefully that helps you guys out in MATLAB, and we are finished with this tutorial.